What up, guys? Welcome to Tech Vlogs, and this is your boy Ray, and your girl Jolanda is behind the camera.
Hey guys!
So today we have a special unboxing for y'all, and it's the Xbox X Series X. Alright guys, so we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so I got this Xbox from Target. It was like a while ago, but it took a while for it to be shipped. I have no idea why it just took so long, but we're just gonna get into the unboxing. I was waiting by that door like a hog. Freaking, they took forever to come today, and I was just waiting there because I've been hearing a lot of stories about people taking their Xboxes, and I was about to be one of them. Alright. Same delivery. Yeah, okay, same delivery. Alright. So this will be the last unboxing of the consoles. So far we unboxed the Series S, we unboxed the PS5, which I know we're supposed to give you those videos, but it will probably be at the same time as this video because we've been like really busy with a lot of things, but we'll get to it. Just bear with us. Okay, I think it's really hard. Oh snap. Yeah, buddy. Oh, this bubble wrap. Sorry guys, this is what I like to do. So you guys know who that is, and that's Master Chief. Which I was hoping they had the Halo game come out with the console, but you know, things happens. So now we gotta wait. Alright. And there you have it. See that beautifulness? Xbox X. Well, Series X. Don't be like the ones that keep getting the consoles confused. Alright.
Sorry.
Yeah, she had a little mix up, but she figured it out. Alright. What I do like about the Xbox rather than the PlayStation is that they made it a lot easier to open the box, because I like to keep the boxes so I can put them in or whatever back in the boxes for later on. I just like keeping what I buy. Alright. Oh, we got one more to go. Oh, two more actually. They were like, I am not putting extra tape. I'm just gonna put a stick and peel kind of tapes. Alright guys. So where do you open this? I guess it opens this way. Yep. Alright. So here we go. Wow. You know what? I always been a PlayStation fanboy, but I do like every console because, like I said, I'm a tech guy. But this Xbox presentation from the box is awesome. Like, this looks beautiful. Alright. So, power your dreams. It's a little stuck in there. Ooh, this is kind of heavier than I thought it would be. It's a little heavy. It has some weight to it. I thought it was a little light the way it looks. Alright. So we got here, I guess the same as the S. It's a don't disturb sign. No, I'm just kidding. It looks like a don't disturb sign. Put that right in there. Don't disturb, I'm gaming. But yeah, it just tells you what the batteries, pretty much what's in the back of the console. How to start up on your phone and stuff like that. I already know how to do that stuff, so. Alright, anything else? Oh, they got a little hidden compartment over here. Alright, what should we do first? Alright, so this is the HDMI cord. Once again, this is supposed to be the 2.1 HDMI, which will connect to your 2.1 TVs. This one actually looks like a high speed than the PlayStation, because the PlayStation one doesn't even like show you like which one is high speed. Yeah, it doesn't really tell you. Oh, there you go. Ultra high speed. There you go, right there. So that's usually 2.1 convertible. Okay. Here's your power cord. The same power cord as always. You got your instructions. Nobody ever reads instructions. Alright, so we got the controller right here, which is, I'm sure it's just like the S, just black, and we got the blue. So it's crazy because now we got 3 controllers. This is actually not too bad. I like the whole all black, just like the white. So it's the same. We got the black and white, yin and yang. Alright, let me see. So Yolanda actually liked the Xbox control. She likes the way it feels. I actually like it pretty good. It fits really good on my hands. I don't know, like they said that it's not the same as the Xbox One. Actually, let me see the Xbox One controller. Alright guys, so I just grabbed Xbox One control and I don't see a big difference on it. Like the top is like glossy, like the analogs, I mean the triggers and stuff like that. This one has like a matte type color to it, and then it has like the grips and stuff like that. And then this is just nice and smooth over here. And then the only big difference really is that it has the USB type C. This had the micro SD. But if you really look at it, like it's not a whole big difference, but when you feel it, it's like a big difference to me, because the Xbox One control, it's like it feels wider to me or something. I don't know what it is. Like it seems just more wider. Like my hands are big, so you would think it's good, but I don't know. Like it separates my hands, my fingers from the buttons. This one is like just perfect. Like I can grip on it. I don't know because it's new and it's fresh out the box, but it seems smaller. But I love, a lot of people they're not too crazy about the pad, the D-pad, but I don't know, I like it. I like the whole, because it has like the elite kind of controller way it looks, so it's not too bad. It's just like the white control too. I like the way the the Xbox button looks. Actually looks way nicer. But yeah, I actually bought some batteries to plug in, but it also came with AA batteries, so I might just give it to Yolanda for her Xbox controller for now so we can get her one. But I'm pretty impressed. It's not a big difference from the Xbox One, but I love the way it feels. It's awesome. Okay. So put that on the side. By the way, guys, my favorite color is black, so I love the whole black theme of Xbox. Which is all, my favorite color is blue. That's why I love both consoles. Because PlayStation has the blue and Xbox has black. Alright, so another thing that I didn't mention, I like the whole, like I was saying, the presentation of it and everything. When you open the box, it's like heaven on earth. So it's like freaking Christmas when you open this box. It looks like a nice black gift wrapping. I don't even want to break it. Like, that's how pretty it looks. Like, I just want to keep it like this. Look at that. See, and it says the power your dreams. Gift wrapping. Like, not even the Xbox X like came with gift wrapping, like wrapping paper like that. But let's open the console. I'm gonna try my best not to break this paper because I would like to keep it. Holy cow. Look at this. When I see it on like people unboxing their Xbox and everything, it didn't look that big, but it looks pretty big in my eyes. What do you think, Yolanda? You like it?
It's huge.
It's huge. It's heavy.
It looked like a subwoofer.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, it actually does. Like, people been comparing it to like refrigerators and not to say that y'all Xbox fans, but they've been comparing it to like a trash can and everything. But I actually like it. I'm not a big green color fan, but that looks nice. And I thought at first when they've been showing it, I thought it was like a glowy or something, or some LED lights or some stuff. But other than that, like, it looks good. You got yourself a USB up here. I think your power, is it your, no, that's your thing that you detect the controller, your power button, where you put the disc at, and your eject button. So you can actually hit horizontal like this, or you can lay it vertical like this. However you decide you would like to have it, you can have it both. My option, obviously, is the way stand it up. Like, come on, it comes with a built-in rubber stand. Like, you gotta take advantage of that. On the side over here it says Xbox. You got some vents up here. You got some vents down here. So you got a lot of vents. Pretty good. Pretty good. Alright. So let's check the back. We got 2 more USB ports right over here. You got your LAN cord over here, your power cord, HDMI cord, and storage expansion. That's in case if you need more memory. They have this little expansion memory card type looking thing that you can just plug it right in there, and you get like a 1 terabyte extra memory. Apparently, I don't. Fortunately, I don't have it right now. I didn't get my hands on that yet, but hopefully, I might get it soon. The price is like outrageous. Like $219, like that's basically a console. But sooner or later I'll get one. So yeah, you put that on there. Yeah, I guess that's about it. As you can see, they don't have optical connection, just like the PS5. So you have, I think they might coming out with like this adapter that's coming out. You might have to buy one of those. Astros actually has one. You can buy that. Connect your, if you have like an Astros A50, you can connect that on there to plug it onto your TV, or I guess go old school and just get like a aux core one. But yeah, other than that, this is also 2.1 capability. You can plug it to your TV for 2.1. Also, you can play games at 120 frames, just like the PS5. What else? Like I said on the PS5 video, depending on what TV you can get, you have to do your research on what TV you need. For me, I have the Sony X900H, and it didn't have a update on it, but we just actually got it before the release, so now I'm good pretty much. Now I think we're waiting for another update on it, but other than that, it works pretty good. So yeah, so I guess that's about it for the unboxing for this. If you want to see any more unboxings, you can always just comment down below and let me know what would you like to see me unbox. Maybe I might have the item or buy it. Who knows? You never know. Just find out and check.